Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start right away. Get a tape measure or rigid ruler and a phone to jot results. Once done, sit square to the display so your sight line is perpendicular. This prevents parallax error. Make sure to power the monitor so the screen is visible. You measure the active display area, not the plastic bezel. Use the inside edges of the lit screen as start and end points. Begin measuring diagonally from one visible corner to the opposite visible corner now. You now perform the critical step. Measure the diagonal. Place the tape at the inside edge of the top left visible screen corner and pull it straight to the opposite bottom right inside edge. Keep the tape flush against the screen surface to avoid sagging. Once you have the number in inches or centimeters, record it. If the monitor is vertical, measure the new diagonal similarly. This diagonal measurement is the accepted display size. It reflects the actual viewable screen. You finish by confirming the size. Compare your measured diagonal to the monitor's model specification or on-screen display info. If the numbers mismatch, remeasure carefully, making sure you excluded the bezel and that the tape lays straight. Measurement errors are most common. If doubt remains, find the model number on the back and check the manual or label for the official stated size. One tip: if the tape won't reach, use a ruler to mark 2 points and measure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.